Yo, what's going on? I thought the shit was open. You know what? I'm gonna just wait till I set this down. Hey, let me set it down. You know what's already? Mr. Mark Banger back again with another banger, as the name insists. Okay. So today we do an IQ test to see if me done yes or no. Because you know I'm asked on Instagram if you want to see me do an IQ test or a personality quiz. I'm gonna choose IQ test. So I'm gonna stand DUNCE. If you like what you see today, make sure you say you subscribe. Because like me need the support. Come on, it's free cause the subscribe is free. You just have to make a Google account and that not cost nothing. It not take you nothing to do it. Just make the account and done and subscribe and click the bell after that. So you never miss an post one post. Alright. So I'm gonna start screen record. Honestly, did I record? Yep, it's record. Alright, so we're gonna do this test and see cause I'm blind. I'm gonna slap on the frames then. When I got talk about some blind. Okay. So instead of really a full-on IQ test, we find a common sense test. We see if me have oh shit, I have to be in a frame. We see if me have common sense. And we shall see if I am pleased with the answers that I get. So the first question is, what insects can chew wood, white, and destroy your home? I think ants, you know. Think joke me I make one of termites. Okay. So see that. Whoa, you want smiley face today? Me get one smiley face. Get one smiley face. Okay. What type of cheese is actually made backward? Me never ever seen me make cheese yet. You never make cheese yet in my life. You never go on the internet and go make cheese. You never take a cheese making class. Cheddar, blood, Edam cheese. Bad bro, what name Edam? What name Edam? Okay. You never hear that name. You never hear that breed of cheese yet, but apparently the cheese exists. So I could take off them now because the glare now the camera not work with me. Okay, so next one is, prunes were once what kind of fruit? I assume it's a plum. Right there, can you see prune? Like look funny prune. Look funny. You know look like one? So yo get bigger. You ever see like you know if you have one plum to you? Not one June plum, you know, but like you ever see a plum? Like a foreign plum? Yeah, look like a plum. As a matter of fact, you think of me when I got done? When time when you see question, pause it, look on the answer them, and choice them, and do the question them with me. Because I don't do this by myself. I don't want to feel done. Tell me if you know done too. And tell me how much you get right in our comments. Okay, interactive. How long is a fortnight? 14 days. And if you say, man, I eat them. Man, I eat them. I just dance. Right there. Which of these tools do you use to change a car tire? One jack, I have to jack up the car. Right here. What is the full form of the medical procedure CPR? Cardiovascular pressure repetition. Cardio pull. What type of Spanish they money are put on pan question dog? You know they read as Spanish and French and anything, you know, everything's funny. Cardio pull. What exactly is what exactly is high milk? Yeah, that maneuver. So what this have to do with this? I don't understand what this right here so have to do with this up here so. Me I go assume say I did. Me smart. People may have sense. Sense is present in me. Which invention allows people to look through a wall? They must have window. Or image processing. We know a couple idiots when I put that, you know. When you just complicated that life. So when I put that. I think we know anyone geothermal actually that. Which of these words doesn't have a rhyming word? Apple, snapple. Silver. Soon reach back there. Corn, bone. Lead, bead. Lead, stead. Silver. Right there. Couldn't think of one. And I never call me dunce neither. Just never have one.
Cap.
What is a barometer measure? Atmospheric pressure. Okay. Which of these is used to start a fire? One lighter. One lighter me use and start fire still, you know. I don't know about them people that come talk about flint and granite and everything there. Yo, Siri, our kind of what stone they use to start fires. Here I go on some Siri now I can do that. Alright, so we'll granite. I did flint. Flint and another bread off all that angle. What? Which one of these can purify water? You can boil it. Yeah. Boil the water and put it back in the fridge. How many days are in February during a leap year? 29. I could have 27, you know, but I'm sure it's at 29. 29. What is the most important thing to do in switching gears in a manual transmission car? Hit space bar. Space bar make more sense. See there? Hit space bar. Get it right. Exposure photography, which refers to which function of the camera? I don't know what I said. I just have camera for record and then we get them in use exposure and ISO one. Filter and them, no. Amount of light still. Amount of light still. Oh. 7 to 11, you should work on your common sense. So I didn't want to come Thursday. Alright. So that one there is kinda easy-ish. So you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna look for your heart. I look for more with some more common sense questions. Alright, so my final one says only 1 in 40 people can answer these common sense questions. Now why the camera now focus on me? Camera, stop here with me. Okay, it says 1 in 40 people can answer these common sense questions. Okay, shift command 5. Record. We're in our business now. About quiz. Alright, do you think you have an all-around intelligence to make common sense quiz? That will make a common sense quiz a breeze. Everybody likes to think they are smarter than the average person. There's so many conversations. Some people don't just okay. So scroll to start quiz. Okay. So see one here. Boom. Oh, this one they give us hints. We'll see how much I can answer without the hints. If I can answer enough without the hints, I'm smart. Just smart. That's just it. Okay. C is the father of D, but D is not the son of C. How is this possible? D is C's daughter. I bet you see about the trailer somebody they wanna confuse, but you know what? Wanna make me know if you want a part 2, and a part 2 I'm gonna get some of the favorite TikTokers together and we're gonna do it. We're gonna see who dunce and who have sense. Make me know. Okay. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain on earth? Now still Mount Everest, because Mount Everest is the Oh, Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on earth long before. Okay, see there? They want to give a correct answer. Why you want to up yourself say? D is the child of C. If C is not D's son, she must be D's daughter right there. What is the world's most populous country? Why Jamaica not today? Jamaica can do something in life too. They try to tell me say Jamaica not. Okay, China still. China's world on top, from over 1.3 billion people. If you top breed at China, if you top breeding, man. Peacocks, why? Do not lay eggs. How are baby peacocks born? Live birth, blood. Peahens. Peacocks are the male species of the peahen. Some of them out in peahen. Someone me. Okay, so peacock apparently not even see me now about peahens, so we're not going to stress about that. How can a man go 9 days without speaking? I mean sleep. Shit. You sleep in at night. Take yourself common sense, you know. If your mother watches you the moment you have common sense. Little bit. Not really. Anyways. Do they celebrate Thanksgiving in the UK? Do they celebrate Thanksgiving everywhere? Am I tripping? Yeah. They don't? Thanksgiving is a uniquely American holiday. What? Okay. I know fat fruits usually better for you than regular fat foods. I mean, yeah. No low fat foods are always lower in fat. Wait, what companies usually replace that fat with sugar and artificial flavoring? Oh. Okay, I'm not a fucking scientist, so I was not supposed to know how you. What? Which of these colors are warm? Blue, purple, black, or red? At this point, me I call red. Yeah, red is warm. Other warm. Yeah, cause warm is like, see this filter? I'm supposed to throw this filter on right here. And have a next one. I'm supposed to throw that on here, See how it looks? Yeah. And these ones I have right now supposed to make it look cool. You got still. I'm gonna feel. Okay, which is heavier? 100 pounds of steel, 100 pounds of fat. Nigga, do I look like I'm stoked? I must look like I'm stoked. I got stupid on my forehead. I got stupid on my forehead. I don't got stupid on my forehead. I just got wrinkles and shit. Okay, what do they call eggplants in the UK? Fucking eggplant. Aubergine? What are these? What? Yo, bro! Wrong. Many things have different names in America, in American English than UK English. Yo, bro. How was I supposed to know that? I don't got friends in the UK. I don't know no UK niggas. How was I? Tell me how me to know that. Tell me. Looking at me eye, them and tell me. Looking at me eye and tell me. You're looking at me eye? Now tell me. Look. See, you can't even tell me if you know that. So let me say if you know that. What is the main language spoken in India? I don't fucking know. I'm not in. I'm only got Indian descent. My grandfather. I would say Hindi. Yeah, Hindi. Yeah, Hindi. It is Hindi. Yeah. I saw Hindu, so I was like Hindi. Yeah. Lake Geneva is in which state? Why they got liquid in yeah? I know that's a state of manner, but like do you mean like Missouri or some shit? Trying to trick me. They're trying to trick me. They're trying to trick me. They're trying to trick me, but it's not working.
Cap.
Still no, wait though. It's in Switzerland, which country now? Yeah, I know that. I thought it was in Missouri. I'm not gonna lie to you. This US city has a very French release, yeah. Cause you know, history class and shit. You know, right? I got the wrong shit on this. I just realized I got the wrong filter on my light. Look at those sticks. Which two continents are basically one continent? Huh. They call Europe and Asia Eurasia sometimes, so. Yup. If a coconut falls from a tree, I'm going to read in a part of phone, I'm going to tie that English now. If a coconut drop out of one tree with the wind that blow from the east, where the coconut land? A ground. If you say west, you eat that. But I could see which part you want to say west. Which country is not in the Americas? Senegal. Boop. How many months have 28 days? All of them. Yo, they take one feed that, you know. Take one feed that. I just good or bad for you in moderation. Eggs got like protein and shit, right? Yeah, they all got like protein and shit, so good. Okay, fuck that. Who was president of the US in 1700? None of them. See that? He was not born until 1776. In 1700, no fear president. I know a lot of y'all was thinking Obama. Y'all some stupid. How many are in a baker's dozen? 13, I think. Yeah. I remember my grandfather used to trick me with that all the time. How many times can you subtract 5 from 40? Once. See what the answer said? You can only do this once. When you subtract 5 from 40, you get 35. 40 is no more. Okay, I like that. Leap years every 4 years. When it's February, I have 28 days. Every 3 years. Every year. I just did the question before. I did this question. Where is that? What's that? I just did that question. And I still fell for that. Still fell for that. No, that's true. Okay. I'm gonna get mad. A truck driver goes down a one-way street in the wrong way in front of the cops. Why is he not pulled over? Because he's walking. Because if I see a truck driver going down a one-way street, I'm not chasing him. I'm letting that nigga be, because I don't know what I look like. I'm not even a cop. So, yeah. Like, come on, you're feeling me right now, broski. Like, why you moving like that? Okay. Oh, damn. Alright. Does Europe belong to the EU? Oh, do all the countries of Europe belong to the EU? No. I just guessed that. I'm not gonna lie to you. How many pears can you put in an empty basket? Need more info to end. 1. This just says you can only put 1 pear in an empty basket. Once that pear is in, the basket is no longer empty. That is in my defense. A rooster lays an egg on a barn roost. Which way does it roll? It doesn't roll because it's in a nest. Oh, I mean, because roosters don't lay eggs. You didn't hear that. Is it legal for a person living in Texas to be buried in Pennsylvania? No, because he's still alive. Oh, it's legal to bury anyone alive. See, Eddie alive. Okay, which is the right way to flip a pancake? Well, when is the right time to flip a pancake? When the top starts to bubble, or which one of these numbers is even 4? Y'all think I'm dumb? I'm just a little dumb. what part of a person's body grows for their whole life? I'm old. I think I'm old. I'm the eyes. His ears. Their ears grow for their whole life. That's fucking. Anyways, which of these countries do not use euros? I think Italy. It's England. Oh yeah, they use pounds. I forgot about that. Do Buddhists believe in God? I don't fucking know. Let's see what this hint is. There are many ways to be Buddhist. Oh, it eliminates 2. Some of them. Okay. Others do not believe in God. So okay. You're in a dark room with a candle, a gas stove, and a lamp. You have one match. What do you light first? The match. Fuck. How much dirt is in a hole that is 18 feet deep and 4 feet wide? None, because it's a hole. Dummies, I don't know how much y'all said. If there are 5 apples and you take 4, how many do you have? 4. I'm gonna take 4. Done. Okay, and my score is 77%. We get 27 out of 35 correct, which means we score 60 better than 63% of people that take that quiz here. See there, cause them get 71%, me get 77. I am above average. Yeah. So that quiz I never bad. I don't think I do no more though, because it's a gigabyte worth of storage on my laptop, and about 20-30 minutes I record this now. So I'm gonna go and edit this and drop this Friday. Yeah. So you know, I'm not doing this shit over again. Okay. So you know, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you know clap that like button right quick. I got a little announcement. I'm dropping every Monday and Friday. At least I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to drop every Monday and Friday until I go back to school. Because you know, once September reach and school start, you know, so everything get that reach. So yeah man, this I go drop Friday. If you not drop Friday, get it Monday. Yeah. And if you remember a couple of videos back, this is something about a podcast I start, that soon start too. Just not everybody wait to hear about a day later. Oh no, see what I go on when time to drop. Alright, my name is Tomorrow Banger. This has been another banger. Make sure you follow me social. Alright, I say that? Yeah, right I saw. Yeah. Make sure you follow my socials right here, so make sure you subscribe. If you don't, and when time you subscribe, click the bell. Because if you don't miss that upload, yeah, something go wrong, me get vexed, and we don't want you to miss the upload them. You see me as me speak about 3 times while ago, but we're not gonna talk about that. But anyways, I hate that for me. Enjoy the rest of the day. And this stop record already, so I kinda feel away. But yeah, alright, bye.